Today we're going to discuss the steps that guide us about making a tartan kilt. Select a tartan pattern linked to Scottish clans or your preference. Determine fabric needs based on measurements and kilt length. You'll need tartan fabric, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, a measuring tape, a ruler to make a kilt. Cut fabric to the needed length and width, adding seam allowances. Sew panels together if necessary. Sew panels with a straight stitch, matching the pattern. Measure, mark, and pin pleats, ensuring evenness and pattern alignment. Stitch across the top of the pleats to secure them inside the kilt. Cut and attach a fabric strip for the waistband, folding over the raw edge and stitching. Sew leather straps and buckles onto the waistband for adjustment. Press the kilt for neatness.